Fourth use case is code generation on table and SysOperation Framework. Speed development. Instead of writing the code for the classes or a framework, we can use the Copilot. We can generate the all the classes and framework. Reduce the effective coding. Instead of for the example class, there we have writing some logic. Instead of writing that logic, we can give that statement prompt to the Copilot. It will generate the all the logic and classes structure. We can use this one. Generate the standard pattern. As per the standard pattern, only Copilot will generate like class, methods, reusability. It will optimize the code also. Supportive extension model. It will support the extension model also. Not only the new table creation, new classes creation. It will use the existing table. It will create the extension. We can use the we can add the all the methods or all the new fields also. Help developer to quick build standard framework. For example, there is a batch job. Here in batch job, we are creating the frame contract class, controller class, service class. Instead of creating the three class manually, we can using the Copilot, we can generate all the framework class at a time.
This case what is like table creation, table extension creation, and adding the fields inside the table extension. Let's go to the GitHub Copilot chat. We'll ask for the table creation. We'll create a some sample table. Create a new table with name SEC employee table and add fields employee ID and also I will mention index also. Employee ID, and for the best practices I will mention create find and access method also. It is giving the XML structure. To go to the EOS services package local directory, and you have to place this XML document and you have to save that. Then only we can see that table. Let's do that one. We'll go to the EOS services package local directory, and my model is SEC and SEC EX table. Just duplicate any one of the table and copy the XML. Go here and edit. And rename the file. Okay, it is created inside the SEC model. Just go to the application explorer, refresh the model and search for your model, like search for your table. If you see here, I have mentioned the three fields. It is creating the three fields, and I have not mentioned any EDT and like any other properties. If you want, you can mention. It will create as per the prompt. And also I have mentioned one of the index. it is created the index and also it making like allow duplicate as no. Then have added like methods also, find and exist methods is creating, and also it's creating the table extension also. I will give the some prompt for table extension also. Create a extension for first table I will give, and also I will mention some fields. Go to backend and this is the table extension. Go to table extension and duplicate any one of the file and copy the extension XML file and edit that one and rename the file also. Go to okay, go to application explorer, repress the model and search for first table. If you see it is created with SCC model and also it's added the two fields I have mentioned like project ID and the description. It is creating the two fields. Yeah, it is like helpful, like instead of creating a new table again and again, you can give the prompt whatever field is required, like whatever the properties required, you can give, it will give the automatically XML structure. You can copy and you can place it inside the AOS services. And also let's go for the other use cases like SysOperation Framework. It is also creating the SysOperation Framework. Let's do that one. Just create this operation framework. Will give an like sample example for like a sales order updation, like sales order status update. Update status. That Copilot will giving the like structure like controller class, contract class, and service class. If you see, it is giving the controller class. We can apply also you can copy and you can paste it in your method. Here it is like service class and this is the contract class also it's creating. If you want you can try other batch jobs also, like we can add any condition, specific condition, and it will give the as per your requirement. It is instead of creating manually for the all the four classes you can create through the GitHub. It is used for the time consumption.